how to change Facebook page name. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on your device. Make sure you are on your main account where you have created the Facebook page. Let's switch to the Facebook page you want to change the name of. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top right corner. Tap on the down arrow. A menu with different accounts and pages will appear. Single tap on your page name. You will now be switched to your Facebook page. Once you are on your page, tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top right corner again. Then tap on the settings icon. Scroll down until you find the audience and visibility section. Tap on page setup. You will see the option for name at the very top. Tap on the view button. From here, you can change your Facebook page name. Please note, once you change your name, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. Now, in the name field, enter the new name of your choice. For example, I will add FP to my previous name. Once you are satisfied with your new name, tap on the review change button. Then, you will see a preview of your current page name and the new name you have just entered. Below that, read the message from Facebook. Here is written, your new name will be reviewed by Facebook. If approved, you won't be able to unpublish the page or change the name again for 60 days. Also, your page followers will be notified that you have changed the name. If you are ready to proceed, enter your Facebook password to verify it's you. Once entered, tap on the Save Changes button. After that, your new name will be sent to Facebook for review. Once approved, you will be notified via the email linked to your main account. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to change your Facebook page name. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.